Hello, welcome to another video by me, Roman, at acsbyroman.com, your global resource for Mr. 12-volt products. Today we're going to be going over how to clone your hard drive, your mechanical hard drive, to an SSD to prevent future boot loop failures. Boot loop is when you have bad sectors forming on your mechanical hard drive and the PCM cannot read the data. This will cause the system to reboot in an attempt to read this data. This problem will get progressively worse until the PCM will reboot roughly every minute or so, making the PCM completely unusable. Once this problem has begun, you cannot clone the drive, as the clone drive will still have the corrupted data on it, and you will just be copying that to the new drive. Boot loop will again continue. This is a preventative measure, as Porsche will not sell you a bare hard drive, but a PCM, which will cost you north of $4,000. This kit, consisting of a hard drive, a cloner, and a Torx-8 screwdriver, is available at acsbyroman.com. Check the link in the details. It will work for PCM 3.1 systems with drives that have the SATA connector. That's a connector that looks like this here. These drives are most commonly found through 2012 through 2026. A good way to check compatibility is to press the source button on your PCM and see if you have Jukebox as one of your sources, as that feature was available in later PCMs that used the SATA drive. To begin the process of cloning your hard drive, first we have to remove the hard drive from the PCM. In this case, this PCM is from a 2015 Cayenne. First, you're going to break the seal tape. You could just run it through like this. It's already been broken because this hard drive has been out before. You can use the Torx-8 screwdriver that I provide in the kit. You just take these two screws out. Then you lift up the case out, and then it comes out this way, and then you gently disconnect the plug on the back like that. Next, you're going to confirm that the drive is in fact a SATA drive. You see how the connectors are the same. Next, you need to remove this drive from this case. Now, these screws have Loctite on them, so they may be a little tight at first. And then it comes right out. Next, we're going to put the drives into our cloner. We have a source and a target. This one in the back is the source. Make sure it seats nicely. And then we have the target drive. Then there's a power button on the back. We turn it on. Once the cloner is powered up, you'll see the power indicator is blue, and if both drives are plugged in, you'll see the source and the target drive are both lit up blue. We're going to hold the cloning button until we see the source and target blinking, and then we're going to hit it again to start cloning. So now everything is blinking, and blinking. And then you can hear the cloner spool up the mechanical drive and everything starts to work. The 25% will start to blink, and after the full bar is done to 100%, then everything has been cloned and the drive is ready to go. So it's been about 30 to 40 minutes, and now all the lights are lit from 25 to 100%, and that means the cloner has finished doing everything it needs to do. What I'm going to do is turn the power button off on the back, and at that point I can remove the drives. Now this drive I will put in an anti-static bag and put it on the shelf somewhere safe in case I ever need to clone it again. And this drive will go in the tray. So we're going to go like this, and the holes should light up. Boom. Like this, I believe. There we go, like that. We're just going to plug it in and drop it right back into the PCM and put the last two bolts in. Now you are ready to put the PCM back into the vehicle or proceed further with a Mr. 12 volt installation for CarPlay or Android Auto. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We're going to press the power button on the back. The machine will be off, and we can take the drives out of the cloner. At this point, I will put this drive in the static bag that the hard drive came in and put it in a safe place in case I ever need to use it in the future. And this drive can get installed in the tray, ready to use. Okay, and we're just going to connect the connector. It should slide right in. And we're going to close it up with the last two screws. At this point, you're ready to install the PCM back into your vehicle, unless you're looking to continue on and install the Mr. 12 volt kit to upgrade your PCM to have CarPlay and Android Auto capability.